Alright, so I'm kind of confused on like what this project is even about.
I think we have to make a remix about something, but I'm not really sure.
You say remix like a music video, or is it just like a video about anything?
I'm not sure. I guess we could do anything, but I can't think of something.
Should we make it like a funny video or like more informative?
Like a video on how to make a video?
That's so dumb. Why would we do that?
Hello!
Where am I?
You are dreaming. This is the inside of your head.
Who are you?
I think I'm you. I don't know, I just woke up.
Why am I here?
You're here because you need to make a video for your writing class, but fell asleep while brainstorming. I'm here to help.
And why are you here?
To guide you on how to make a video.
Oh, how to make a video.
First, you need to make a plan.
What do I plan out?
Well, content is the most important aspect of a film. Make an outline of what you want your content to be.
Oh, but I don't know what my video could be about. There's so many topics and I'm not creative.
Everyone is creative. You just have to find something that interests you and talk to the audience about that topic.
Is that simple?
It's simple, Pedro. So simple. Go out and try for yourself.
Is this good?
Yeah, that's great. Now you need a camera.
I don't have a camera.
Well, what do you have in your pocket?
I mean, I have my phone.
And what's that on the back?
Oh, a camera.
Exactly. Now go film part of your video. If you're having trouble thinking of what to film, just look back at your outline. It can help guide you through the process. The two most important parts of filming is your lighting and your audio. No one will like your video if they can't see or hear it, so always remember to check both of these things before and after you start filming. The first step to editing is downloading a computer software like iMovie for Mac or Video Editor for Windows.
Okay, then what?
Now you have to input all video and audio using an SD card. Make sure to line up the audio and video before you start cutting, or else it will look awkward.
I have to cut stuff?
Oh, Pedro, I don't mean physically cut. I mean cut the parts of the film that you don't want and take them out.
That was easy. Sweet, so camera, filming, and editing. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Making a video is way easier than what I thought.
Yes, it is super simple. Anyone can be a star of their own movies.
Okay, so now what?
Time to wake up.
What?
I have an idea.